let's talk to how do we shift it to the cloud. So I have a very similar view here of what that looks like. So it's very similar. We're lucky with our SaaS that's already running in the cloud. But the first thing that we want to do is stand up our cloud instance. This should be done using infrastructure as code. We have a great ebook on some of the lessons learned. We've done this many times. And if you're not using a solution like Terraform to create your infrastructure from start, you're in a unique opportunity for building this environment out. That's a great place to start. So, we want to leverage as much cloud services as we can. Things like if you're running in Google GKE and Cloud SQL, if you're running in, Azure AKS, if you're running in AWS EKS, but having that managed Kubernetes instance is going to be the best way to get and move applications. If you have the fault tolerance for it and are able to do it, I would highly recommend the managed databases as well. You're going to get your best value for that. If you're running, for instance, like say Cloud SQL Server and want to remove some of those licenses, a lot of these cloud providers have support for running those instances as a managed way. We can literally, since they're written in Kubernetes and containers, we can pick those up and we can run those, and we can migrate those, assuming some assumptions on the databases, but we can easily pick those up and move them. And we can take that now too. Let's say we want to take this database and start to farm it for predictive analytics and to start mining some of our data. We can leverage some of our wonderful auto AI capabilities. So it's a good kind of segue in how I see we modernize and get to that predictive analytics, especially on the AI side. And I'd love to tell you a little bit about that here as well.